this one came together, also bought online, is the external casing for 2.5 SATA drive, because the speed and read is very fast. This is used for my television to record shows and store inside here, because the TV recording is quite fast. You have to be faster than the TV. So this one will have the speed required. Buying like this is much more cheaper than buying a pen drive, because this thing costs about 13. The SSD card costs about 40. Together it's about 50 something, 53. One pen drive costs 128, which is quite a lot. Quite a lot. Almost 2.5 times more. Yeah, get this. Try yourself. More cheaper than you buy a SSD pen drive. I recommend you to do it the way I'm doing now. This is an SSD card data. So I'm going to try out this to see if it works. This thing is a SSD, 3D NAND, will last only about 3 years, because electrons will never be there permanently without any power. Don't keep writing and it will last longer.
要关注我的视频，点击 subscribe。
Let's try the recording to see if the SSD card works. Oh yeah, it's running. It's wonderful. Beautiful. Okay, stop. Wonderful, there's no tripping. If there's a tripping, that means the recording is too slow. The pen drive cannot take in too much data. Looks good. It's wonderful. This is playing, it's not recording. It's playing the recorded introduction of this liquid as well. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.